This is a tutorial on how to create a new preventive maintenance or PM project. You will use this whenever new PMs need to be set up in your site. To begin, navigate to Scheduling and PM Projects. This will bring you to a list of all of your current PM projects in your site. To create a new project, click the New PM Project button in the upper left-hand corner of the grid. This will bring you to the New PM Project wizard. Let's say your facility just got a new company truck and you need to create a PM project for truck maintenance every 3 months to perform tasks such as changing oil and checking fluids. To begin creating our new PM project, we first give it a name and a description. It is recommended that you name your PM so that it includes the equipment type and the schedule of the preventive maintenance. So, I will name this PM project Quarterly Truck Maintenance because I am performing the maintenance on the truck every 3 months. In the Enable On field below, just type in T for today. This indicates that you are making this PM active today. Once all the required fields are filled out on the screen, click Next to continue creating your PM project. Now, we need to add the assets that will be serviced with this PM. Starting with the drop-down menu at the upper left of the screen, select the asset type you will be adding to this PM. Since the company truck is a type of equipment, select Equipment from the drop-down menu. Next, use the Auto Lookup tool to locate and select the appropriate piece of equipment for this PM. Keep in mind it is possible to have multiple assets on one PM project. Once you select your asset, click the Return Selected link at the top left of your screen to add them to the PM. Notice they appear in a grid in the center of the screen where you can organize, remove, or edit them. Once all the desired assets are added to your PM project, click the Next button to continue with your project. The next step is to create a schedule for this PM project. To begin, click the Add a New PM Project Plan Schedule link at the top of the screen. Once you click this link, a form will appear to create the schedule for this PM. First, give the schedule a name. I usually name the schedule the same as the PM, so I will call this schedule Quarterly Truck Maintenance. Next, give the schedule a start date. It is a good rule of thumb to set your start date as your next due date. So, if today is May 15th, and the next due date for quarterly maintenance is 3 months from today, I will want to set my start date as August 15th. Notice in the lead days field off to the right, I can make this project generate early if I need lead days for this project. If the field is left blank, the project will generate as scheduled with no lead days. In the Recurrence drop-down, select which recurrence pattern you want this PM to follow. Since this PM occurs every 3 months, this will follow a monthly recurrence pattern. In the date fields below, we need to set a sequence for this PM to follow. We have established that it will start on the 15th of August, so this means that we want this PM to generate the 15th day of every 3 months, starting on August 15th. So in the top field of the schedule form, fill in the blanks with the numbers 15 and 3 respectively. Now it is set to generate the 15th day of every 3 months. In the recurrence range, we can set how long we want this PM to generate for. Since this is not a seasonal PM, and we want to maintain this truck continually, keep the No End Date selection checked and click Save Schedule in the bottom right of the window. Once you have set your schedule, click Next to finish your new PM project. The last thing we need to do is give this PM project a request code. The request code displays important information such as who the supervisor will be for this PM and displays the detailed instructions for maintenance. To select a request code, first select the schedule from the Select a Schedule drop-down menu. Next, using the Auto Lookup tool, select the desired request code from the list. Once you have selected the desired request code, notice that the request code appears in a grid in the center of the screen. Now that you have selected the request code for your PM project, you can click Save and Exit, and you will be brought back to your PM project list. Notice now that your new PM is in the list and will begin generating on August 15th.